Shepard Smith. This is Studio B. It's the bottom of the hour. Time for the top of the news. North Korea could launch a missile at any moment. That is the word from Pentagon officials today, who say they are highly confident that launch will in fact happen. Of course, it follows weeks of the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's baffling threats. Today was the deadline North Korea gave for foreigners to get out of South Korea, but so far nothing's happened. Pentagon officials say they're on alert to shoot down any missile that targets the United States or our allies. But analysts say any launch will probably be just a test fire. After all, Lil Kim would have to have a death wish to take on the United States. Jen Griffin is at the Pentagon. Jen, what are you hearing there?
Well, Shepard, Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel just issued a stern warning to the North Korean leader, saying he is, quote, skating close to a dangerous line.
We have every capacity to deal with any action that North Korea would take to protect this country and the interests of this country and our allies.
U.S. and South Korean fighter jets are being readied at regional air bases. Pentagon officials confirmed that the North Koreans have moved 2 mid-range mobile Musadon missile launchers into position. They expect more than one launch at any time now. This is the first time North Korea has tested this kind of missile on a mobile launcher, adding to concerns about where it might land. That's why Japan has deployed its Patriot missile defense batteries around Tokyo, because the Musadon has a 2,500-mile range and could fly over Japan and even reach Guam, Shepard.
The president has released his budget proposal now. Is there a sense for how that could impact the Pentagon strategy in Asia?
Well, Pentagon officials went out of their way today to make sure that North Korea doesn't misunderstand the current budget crisis.
I don't want to suggest to the North Koreans they got any free pass here. Given what's going on, I sure don't want to leave the impression in the minds of any of our potential adversaries that this is an opportunity for them. It's not. I mean, we're going to be there if we have to be.
The president's budget cuts missile defense by $550 million in 2014. This at a time when the military and the nation may need missile defense more than ever. Shepard.
Jennifer Griffin at the Pentagon. Jen, thanks.